Good morning, friends. This is your friend Professor Iqbal once again here. I welcome all of you to my YouTube channel, Professor Iqbal Tajwal. In this episode of lecture, we are going to discuss one of the important topics of English grammar, that is drafting a notice. We all know that notice is very important part of English grammar, and in most of the private sectors, you come across a notice. Now, what actually is a notice? Okay. Notice is a simple way of telling your message to someone, and generally the notices are displayed on the notice boards of institution. It will be displayed on the notice boards of an institution. Now let us go directly to the format of notice and how it should be written and what is the word limit of notice. The most important point for you to remember that your notice should be brief because the word limit should be only 50. And which are the important points you should mention in the notice? The first important point that you have to mention is issuer's name. Okay, issuer's name in the sense the organization or institute, okay, who drafts the notice, on behalf of whom the notice will be told to the candidates or students. So issuer's name is very important, and after issuer's name you will have to write the date. And when you write the date, make sure that the month will be written only in the words, not in the figures. And after date, you have to write the word notice in capital letter. Okay, the word notice should be written in the capital letter. And after that, you will be writing heading of the notice. Heading of the notice is nothing but the subject. For what purpose are you drafting a notice? That should be indicated in the heading. And after heading, what you need to remember is the main body of notice. After heading, what you need to remember is the main body of notice. And your main body should have minimum lines to indicate your purpose. Okay, that is the main purpose of the notice itself. The main purpose of the notice should be displayed there in minimum lines. And after that, you have to mention the name, the person on behalf of the institution who drafts the notice. His name should be written. Okay, and that should be written on the left hand corner. Okay, and what is the designation of the person who is drafting the notice? The designation of that person who is drafting the notice should be written. Now let us take one example. As a principal of Brilliant English Medium, the question is like this: as a principal of Brilliant English Medium School, okay, there is a guest lecture on personality development, and as a principal you have to draft a notice informing all the students of your school. You are R. Naik of Brilliant English Medium School. You are R. Naik as a principal of Brilliant English Medium School. Okay, so now what would be the format? Remember, issuer's name will be here, Brilliant English Medium School. Then you have to write the date, on which date you will be drafting a notice. And after that, what will be there? The most important word is notice. And the word notice should be written only in block or capital letters. Now here, the heading will be, okay, a guest lecture. A guest lecture. And then you also have to say after that, okay, it is to inform all the students of Brilliant English Medium School that there will be a guest lecture on 15th January 2022 in the school. There will be a guest lecture in the school. All the students are informed to attend the class on time. All the students are informed to attend the lecture on time. Okay, and in the name you will say R. Naik, and designation will be principal. And this all content of the notice should be written in the box. Okay, so it should be written in the box. That is what you need to remember. Everything should be written in the box. It should be attractive, and word limit should be 50. So this was all about drafting a notice. I hope you will understand what is a notice and how to draft a notice. It is very important for you to remember that drafting a notice is also a good skill of a person. In most of the institutions, whether it is an IT institute or a school or any organization, okay, so there one or the other day you have to draft a notice. So these points are very important for you to remember. And even in the schools, drafting a notice is also a part of their syllabus. So you have to be well versed in order to draft a notice. I hope this video will help you to understand the topic of how to draft a notice well. Thank you very much everyone. Have a good day ahead.